I've been using the AirPods Pro as my primary earbud of choice for the last several months here, especially while we've been working from home, had the kids here and everything. If I need to take a meeting, if I need quiet, I can plug these in. I can easily be on a call as well as having music playing or noise canceling, whatever else. And they're great. The battery life is good, the sound quality is good, rapid recharge and all of that, but they could be a little bit better. The silicone ear tips that do come with these leave a little bit to be desired, but this is a new Apple product. It doesn't match any other earbud, so there's not really much in terms of options on the market. So when I heard that Comply was going to be coming out with foam ear tips, I definitely jumped on the bandwagon, and they just arrived today. So here we have the Comply premium earphone tips specifically for the AirPods Pro. These are medium, there are 3 pairs. They do have a sampler pack that's like small, medium, large. You get 3 pairs. I kind of figured that I'm going to be a size medium. I've been a size medium in every other earbud tip that I've ever worn, so hopefully these fit. And with the ones that I've used before, I would consider these to be disposable, so this is a $25 investment for 3 pairs that, depending on your usage, will probably last for like 6 months to a year each. Maybe less, maybe more. Down here at the bottom of the pack, you can see the installation instructions. Install tips, roll the tip into a thin round cylinder, gently insert into the ear, and hold in place until expanded. Those instructions are not for these, so that's not how it's going to work. But from their site, they've actually got a couple of videos where basically you take the existing one, you pull the tip off, and you can probably see here on the AirPod Pro, it's got a little indentation here. So the idea is that these will be kind of squeezed, pinched, and then pushed into place. Let's just see. I should also mention, I ordered these on May 22nd, and it's now like June 17th, and they just arrived. I said today, they actually arrived like 2 days ago. Been trying to find the time to make a video, and hopefully these are worth the price. 25 bucks for 3 pairs, just as a reminder. So here's what they look like on the inside. You've got an indentation there. The outside, of course, they're foam, and from their video, it looked like you just kind of pinch it like this, and then push it on, and then push on with your tip of your finger until it stays on. And yeah, I'm pulling on it, it's not coming off. And then also, just like any other ones, you kind of have to pinch them to get them comfortable. Stick them in your ear and wait for them to expand. So while I'm doing this, they are expanding right now. That's definitely blocking out a little bit of sound. We try it on the other one. Pull that off, do a quick pinch and a push, and then push it on there. Oh, you do have to make sure to line it up appropriately. I had it off. Yeah, that goes on very easily. So we'll give it a little pinch, pop it in the ear, hold it for a second, let it kind of expand out. And I will just admit, the silicone tips that come on them, it's been very rare that they felt like they were going to fall out, but these do feel a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more secure. And again, if I pull on it, they will come out. Just give them a little squish to push them back in. That ain't bad. And I don't think it should affect the sound quality, but I'll turn on some music just to be sure. One thing I have noticed with these is that I've been getting some buzzing in the right ear. So I've done a full hard reset on them at least once. I think there's just a bug with the AirPods Pro. It's mainly when I talk or when I cough or any sort of loud noise. And then of course I catch myself talking kind of loud, sorry. They still sound good. Let's check it with noise cancellation turned on. I'm in a quiet room, so I can't really tell, and I've got the music playing, and then the transparency, yeah, I can hear myself talking pretty clearly again. I do still have a buzz in this ear, but again, that's the earbud. It's not the actual foam tip doing anything like that. Did not affect the sound quality, so that's a thumbs up for me. This is what they look like on the AirPods. It does give it kind of a nice little Stormtrooper feel. They had a little bit of that before, but now with the black ear tips, it makes it a little bit nicer, and they're foam, so they're gonna stay in your ear a little better. They're gonna seal off the outside world just a little bit better, but you still have that transparency mode, which is really nice. So I am definitely looking forward to spending more time with these with the Comply memory foam tips on them. These other 2 pairs will go firmly into a drawer just in case I need them, because eventually I probably will need them. But I think that's where I'll wrap the video up for today. Quick, simple. If you have the AirPods Pro and you're still using the silicone tips, have you thought about trying any of these memory foam tips? Now that these have shown up, I've looked around and I think there are other companies that are making them now, but I have used Comply tips in the past and they have always been excellent. They have lasted a very long time, even while exercising, and the only time I've had them get damaged is like if my nail catches on it and like tears the foam. Otherwise, they've been great. So I'll put links to where you can find them, affiliate links that do help to support the channel, down in the video description if you're interested. I may put some other ones to like the Amazon Comply page so that you can just look for your particular earbuds and see if they make them for you. Definitely a big fan of having memory foam on the ends of my earbuds to make them a little bit more comfortable and to block out a little bit of additional sound. So thank you guys as always for watching. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to get notified when new videos come out. Hit the notification bell. It'll be down there if you want to get notified when I actually post the videos. And I will see you again next time. Bye guys.